This is the elevator at the other deck. Hole. Down. I think it's here. This one has no fan on.
I think that might be an add-on.
Okay. Motor.
Got a pretty nice motor.
Pretty in a good motor, yeah. This one also has no floor passing time, so I consider this one the better one. No ceiling tiles.
No, half a light fixture. What the fuck?
Oh my god. Look at the way the panel sticks out.
You should see, I think the hydraulic pipe, it runs through that hallway.
Well,
Or at least the motor is on the other side.
we'll find out.
Either that or it's fire sprinkler. I can't tell.
It's going. Oh yeah, they definitely do. All right, well that's it.